What is Stucco Clad? Stucco Clad is a synthetic, high-density, textured architectural panel board that provides a perfect alternative to typical EFIS and exterior cladding applications. It is best known for replicating the appearance of traditional stucco while being easier and faster to install thanks to its pre-engineered panel design. Stucco Clad first starts off as a high-density board, which is then primed and finally coated with a textured finish. Stucco Clad can also be customized to any color and computer routed for unique patterns and designs to fit your vision and needs. Stucco Clad's advantages is found in its ease of installation, the ability to install in all weather conditions, cost effectiveness, durability and consistency, the ability to be installed without a specialized contractor, and so much more. Why continue messing with traditional stucco, EFIS, and EFIS alternatives when you know the problems they cause later down the line? Builders, designers, and architects can now choose Stucco Clad as the top proven EFIS alternative to finish your project faster without compromising in your design. If you got any questions about Stucco Clad, please feel free to give us a call and we can gladly answer and help you out. Thanks for watching.